Shout out, shout out. One, two, three. There's a zombie on your lawn. There's a zombie on your lawn. There's a zombie on your lawn. I can play Animal Crossing. I used to play this on somebody else's Switch. But that was years ago. I finally have my own. Thank you. Thank you. Ano to? Bakit saan eh? What? Why do I have a motorcycle battery? Oh my gosh! Maybe this is a motor. Wait. It's time to open the climax. Is this a motor?
I like a tricycle.
Ano to? Bakit may motorcycle battery ako? Motor ba to? Is this a, like, assemble motor? Sino nagbigay ng motor sa box? Oo nga, motorcycle battery. Motor. Pwede pala mag-put ang motor sa box. Motorbike. Motorbike? Ba't may motor? Kala ko appliance. Okay ko. Say. Generator para sa iPhone ko daw. Battery sa iPhone. Oh my god! Power bank sa phone ko! Power bank sa whole barangay! Open it, Kai. Open. Let's open it. Asan yung scissors? Where are the scissors? Buhay po yan. Bahay po yan. Aba! Nag-birthday lang ako, nakukuha pa ako ng bahay na box. House and lot! House and lot! Oh my god! Cabinet. Aquarium. Washing machine. Oh my god! Ano ba? Why are you guys like this? Ba't kayo ganyan? Rice cooker. Lamborghini. Oh my god! Imagine if it's a sasakyan. Tricycle. Magiging driver na ako. Kulang na lang yung driver's license ko.
Helicopter? Oh! It's a chair! Ah, upuan! Ah, oo nga. Windmill! Please set it up. Damn! Thank you. Sabihin mo, come here. Sabihin mo. Thank you. It doesn't say. Maria. Thank you, Maria. Ba't may battery? Di ko gets. Kaninong motorcycle battery to? Uy! Kanino to? Nasa labas yung motor. Nakalimutan. Kaninong battery to? Nalagay niyo sa box ko. Massage chair. Hindi, gaming chair. Baka umaandar na. Baka umaandar ang chair. Sakit ang tiyan ko. Sakit ang tiyan ko. Flying chair. Solar battery po yan. Motor gaming chair. Helicopter. Sakit na dyan ko. Sakit na dyan ko. Freebies. Freebies. Oh, sakit na dyan. Electric chair. Oh my gosh. Rechargeable chair. Ay naku. Natawa ako sa ano helicopter. Ang funny niyo, ang funny. Clap your hands kasi ang funny. Bakit nga ba may motorcycle battery? Ferris chair sa motor na. Para sa energy mo yan, Kai. Shhh. Pumutangin pa daw yung motor. Roller coaster. Sakit na mukha. Sakit na mukha. Moving on, moving on. Move on na tayo. No more battery. Move on na. Move on. Move on. We are moving on. Sakit ng tiyan. Thank you sa pagbigay ng ng mga gifts. Someone said battery muna, tsaka na yung motor. Anyway, moving on. Let's move on. Thank you sa pagbigay. I love it. Let's move on now. Yeah, that's not. Move on, move on, move on. Sakit ng mukha. Sakit, sakit. Let's move on, guys. Guys, move on na tayo, please. Sakit ng, ano? Yeah. Yes, so we're done? Yeah. I don't know. Dili. Dami mo na sa bag. Yeah. So we're soon ending the live. We will solve the mystery of the motorcycle battery very soon. We will we will be ending the live dahil it's late. It's time for you guys to sleep. Bye bye. Bye bye everybody. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye. It's time to move on. Dahil meron pang mystery ang motorcycle battery. Di natin alam kanino yon. Sana ay mapupunta yun sa kanino man talaga ang nagmamay-ari ng motorcycle battery.
The feeling that I'm losing her forever without really entering her world. That funny little girl slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time.
This is dedicated to the tao na nagkamali ng lagay ng motorcycle battery. Ito ang kanta na perfect para sa tao na yon. Slipping through my fingers all the time. At dahil dyan, na-slip through your fingers mo ang motorcycle battery mo. How sad.
What happened to all those wonderful adventures and all the plans to go? Some of us we did and some we didn't. That funny little girl slipping through my fingers all the time. I tried to commit the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time. I wish that I could freeze the picture, save it from the funny tricks of time, slipping through my fingers. At dahil na-slip sa fingers mo ang battery ng motor mo, ay sana magtagpo kayo ulit sa takdang panahon. At eto, at dito lang nagtatapos ang kwento ng misteryosong battery ng motor. At sa muli, ako ang inyong tagapagsalaysay. Goodbye.
Magkita tayo later. Soon. Dito lang sa Maalaala Mo